Sir, first of all, I would like to thank you to giving me this opportunity to present myself in front of you. My name is Hridaypal. Today, the topic of my presentation name is Artificial Neural Network. First of all, I would like to discuss about the introduction section of my presentation. Introduction. An artificial neural network is a computational model inspired by the structure and functions of the human brain. It consists of massively interconnected nodes called neurons organized in layers. The connection between neurons are represented by weights which are adjusted through a learning process. ANN learns from data and can make predictions or decisions based on the learning. The characteristics of ANN. Number one, ANN can solve the problem which has pattern. Number two, ANN has good mapping ability. ANN can map the pattern on the input to output, which is connected continuously without interruption. Number three, ANN is a method that focuses on the learning process. Number four, ANN is tolerant of various type of data. It is able to identify pattern of incomplete, partial, or noisy data. The basic structure of ANN. Here are the three layers of ANN: input layer, hidden layer, and output layer. In input layer, receives input data and passes it into the next layer. In the hidden layer, it is intermediate layer between the input and output layers. They perform computations and extract features from the input data. In output layer, produce the final output and prediction based on the computations performed in the hidden layers. Here the feed forward and back propagation. Feed forward: in input data is passed through the network from the input layer to the output layer. Back propagation: the process of updating the width of the connections in the network to minimize the difference between the predicted output and desired output. Backpropagation uses a technique called gradient descent to adjust the width based on the error signal propagation backward through the network. Here are some application of artificial neural network. First of all, pattern recognition and image classification. Second, neural language processing and sentiment analysis. Three, speech recognition and synthesis. Four, predictive modeling and forecastation. Five, anomaly detection and fraud detection. Six, medical diagnostics and drug discovery. Seven, autonomous vehicle and robotics. Here's some advantage and challenges. Advantage. Number one, ability to model complex relationship and handle large amount of data. Number two, adaptability to changing environments. Number three, parallel processing and distribute computations. Number four, ability to learn from unstructured and unlabeled data. Here are some challenges. First of all, need for large amount of level training data. Second, computational complexity and training time. Three, interpretability and explainability of result. Number four, overfitting and generalizing issues. In last conclusion, artificial neural networks are powerful computational model inspired by the human brain. They can learn from data and make predictions and solve the complex problems. In conclusion, artificial neural networks offer an exciting and promising avenue for solving complex problems, paving the way for the future intelligent system and decision making. Thank you, sir, for listening to my presentation. Thank you.